How to make a camper cushion. An easy box cushion with zipper. The fabric is outdoor fabric. It can handle rain, damp and sun. I always cut the foam 1/2 centimetre larger. This gives a tight and clean fit. First, I wrap the foam with fiberfill. Measure the cushion all around, add 1 centimetre for seam allowance. Add 1.5 centimetres on each side for the zipper. The zipper goes on the long side of the cushion. Mark the measurements on the back of the fabric. Use tailor's chalk. Cut out the fabric. Finish the edges with an overlock, or use a zigzag stitch. Mark the center points, both on the panels and the boxing. Place the zipper on the fabric, wrong side on the fabric, the teeth facing down. First stitch both zipper sides to the long edges. The zipper is longer than the fabric. This makes it easier to insert the slider. For a clean finish, add a top stitch. Open the zipper slightly. Turn the cover inside out. Place the right sides together. This is how the boxing is attached. Start a bit away from the corner. The center of the boxing at the bottom aligns with the center of the zipper. Stitch to 1 centimetre before the corner. Keep the bottom panel straight. Turn the boxing. Add extra stitches over the zipper. This gives extra strength. Keep the panel straight again. Turn the boxing.